Hey guys.
Okay.
Hey guys. Welcome to my apartment. Okay, so I'm gonna take my mask off. So this is the hallway you see when you first walk in. I absolutely love the view that you see when you first walk in. I'm probably going to shoot some more shots in the daytime just so I can get some natural lighting. But yeah, this is the first door you see. This is the closet, the main closet that's in here. I will probably use this as more of like a coat closet and some storage closet, all of that all together. It's pretty big. I can actually stand in there, so I like that. And then going this way, you have the laundry room area. So I did get a furnished apartment. So this is the washer and dryer that comes with it. And then obviously you see that there's some space that you can store like your laundry equipment, like, you know, laundry detergent and stuff like that. So I do like that. And coming a little bit further, you have the bathroom. Come in here. Just going to vent off. Of course, you have the shower. I love the design on the shower. The modern look is really pretty. And then you have obviously the toilet and the sink area, and I love that as well. Here is the storage that is under the sink. So yeah, that's pretty much the bathroom. And then coming a little bit further, you have this area for more storage, and there's a huge hook right here. So I guess it really is flexible with what I can use this to store or whatever. I do like that, and I love the wood in here. I think the wood in here is so pretty. It's like medium tone wood. And so here is the kitchen area. The entire kitchen sits right against this wall. I love the backsplash on here. This is the sink area, and then you have your storage under here. I'm probably gonna put like dish detergent and stuff like that under here. And I do have a dishwasher. This is like a little mini dishwasher, but it's perfect for me because it'll just be me. So cute. And then I have more storage right here. All of these are drawers, and I love the fact that you can't slam them. Yeah, they slide in slowly. Then you also have the stove area. So you have the stove, the oven right here, and I love it. These appliances look pretty new, which I do love. And the microwave is pretty big as well. And you have more cabinet space up here. I don't really know what those folders are, but I guess it's something I should probably read. And a little bit more cabinet space right here and right here as well. And then here is the refrigerator. And as you can see, I have a ton of space to store all the food I'll be cooking in here. And the freezer is on the bottom. So yeah, more storage space for all my food. The window, but we're not gonna open it right now because it's not much natural lighting, which I hate. I'm so sorry about that, but okay. This is the main living area. What? With Lawrence in there. This is the main living area. I love this space so much. You have 2 coffee tables right here, and of course it comes with a TV. Like I said, this is a furnished apartment, so you have your coffee table area, your breakfast table, and then these 2 real coffee tables, and you have this seat right here and the main sitting area. But the really cool part about this apartment that I think is that you can move these coffee tables. And the really cool part is that this comes down. So this goes down into a full queen size bed. I cannot wait to go ahead and decorate this. And so yeah, this is what I will be looking at when I go to sleep. As you can see, there is, like I said, a TV that comes in here. I've never had a TV in my room, so this is technically like having a TV in my room. Super cool. And yeah, this apartment comes with free Wi-Fi and cable, just like I mentioned to you all I was looking for in my apartment hunting video. So I'm so glad I got an apartment that has all of that. And yeah, I absolutely love it. I also have parking at this apartment, so I'm just so excited for everything, and I'm so excited to get to learn the area and start working and officially move in and have everything in. So yeah, that concludes this empty apartment tour. I look like a hot mess, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys! You did like it?
I told you that on Instagram. This is the reality.
I gotta learn how to do this by myself. Wait, oh my gosh. Okay, next time. Can somebody help me now?